Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Happy Monday. We have a new week ahead of us. It's gonna be exciting. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna try to stream every day for next 5 days in London session at least. So, you know, great week ahead of us. That's all. I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend as well and get ready to be maybe worked on your training skill on the weekend as well. You know, just wasting it on one. All right, we're gonna quickly go through daily to hourly to 4 hour to 15-minute chart. So for what I can see from daily chart is that we have filled this FPG as well enough. If you do want to get downside, we can go to 50% of this FPG. That's only thing I can look for downside. Otherwise, if market wants to move upside, it can from right here. But what I want before it goes to the upside is that it should fill this 50% of that week, this long week. If it does that and if we get reaction from it, I'll look for longs, maybe in London session or maybe even after that, in New York session as well. That's my plan of the day. Drawn liquidities are here and then to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. What else? We have FPG opened up on to the upper side, so that could be drawn liquidity as well. Just looking at the areas where market can go for now, not trying to find forcefully trades. We have a bunch of highs here, so lots of liquidity building to the upside. And yeah, but for first we could sweep these lows. We can sweep these lows here to the downside. This one is already swept. So if we get reaction, we can start moving to the upside from right here. If we not, we should come back down to sweep these lows, and in doing so, get this 50% of the week. And that's it. I guess from my side, from analysis point of view. Let's say if we get high reaction from this 5-minute FPG and continue to the downside, it could be really great trade if we do want to risk it. Place above high, and I'm not gonna take it just yet. Just gonna quickly check if everything is alright on the stream, and we'll be back. Just gonna post a quick story on Insta. Everybody knows that I'm live. By the way, for your information, I only trade NQ most of the time. So, if you guys don't know, NQ is my go-to instrument to trade always. All right, let's get into it. All right. As I said, I'm looking for market to draw into this 50% of the week here, and if we do so, we are good to go to the upside after it. Looking for it as well. This could be potential entry to the shorts as well, but not gonna risk it for now at all, because there's always a manipulation coming in London session, and big one. It may take you out anywhere. But for the purpose of my direction or maybe bias, I want market to go downside for now. Take out these lows. In all these lows. These, and then, you know. Hey, Blank. Hello, Rahul. What's up? My cam is lagging for some reason. It is lagging. May turn it off. Yeah, we can do that. That's the way to go. I mean, you can wait for market to take out this low, these lows, tap into this 4 hour 50% of the week, and then go to the upside. Or we can go with the flow where market is going downside. You can take quick shots here at this point with the small SL. If you do get wicked out, you can do wicked out. That's a risk you have to take. But for me, I'm not taking this trade at all, but for the purpose of stream, put it there. See. My cam is lagging so much, so I'm just gonna turn it off for a while. Ultra low latency. Yeah, I'm new at this thing, so I don't know anything about this thing. But if you do know where to see it, can you let me know so I can check it? Ultra low latency. All right, we can do that, blank. Hit me up on Discord. Thank you, man. Thank you. With the London session opening coming up, we very well can get manipulated here, you know, and that's what I don't like about London session. Uh, the thing is, you have to put big SLs in London session. You can't just go get away with small SLs because it's gonna manipulate twice or three times in a trade, and yeah. I pro how to have perfect bias. It comes with the practice. It comes with the chart experience as well. You just cannot learn it from somebody else. You have to go through the charts every day. What market is doing. Just have a before market opens up and see how it works out day by day, and then you can improve on that. That's the only thing you can do, I guess. Yep. Thanks, Blank. All right, we are moving to the downside. We had a good reaction from that 5-minute FPG, so we should sweep at least this low, and in doing so, this low as well, and continue to the downside. Yes, but as I'm saying, I'm not gonna follow this at all because I'm already late. If I were to get in, I would have get in here. I'm already late, 18 point late. I'm not gonna get in at all. No, not really, blank. I don't trade blank. I trade sometimes CL, but that's all. NQ and CL. And also CL, I trade CL on Sahil suggestion, not alone. He's good at trading CL. Let's see what CL is doing. Stopping around in a range. Yeah, Sahil is the best trader I know who trades CL, I guess. He has a good ratio on CL as well. Let's see if we get pounds from these FPGs. Any business time. Let's gonna trading threshold of Apex. It's like this. Okay, it's gonna tap it down so it is voice. Blake, I don't know what's happening. My internet is good, and I think it's OBS for some reason. I guess we'll have to fix it today, and we'll have to. I don't know, Blank, what's happening. My OBS is my internet is pretty good. Great speed on internet. I think it's OBS. Out today. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly explain what Apex trailing threshold is. See, let's say you enter short here in the market. Draw some lines. I'm gonna sort this in once in a while. Once in for all. Alright, never mind. So let's say you entered here, returns, and you are running in profit. You are $100 in profit, right? And market decides to go back, break even, and then hit your SL. So what trailing threshold means is that you're gonna lose. Let's say you're starting. If somebody runs up to $100 and goes to your SL, right, pretty quickly. Let's say share might do $200 plus it hits your SL, so you're gonna lose 250 worth of that. So whatever the highest point of your account is, it's gonna threshold till that point, if you know what I mean, right? Look at that mile. It'll follow you while you are in a trade. It will follow you after take on the trade as well. Remember that it is always following you, the threshold. And so if you do not understand, we can talk in person. So I'll get some. Yeah, I'll try to it. Yes, if everything gets sorted out in stream, because it's lagging so hard, if it doesn't get sorted out, then I'll have to really think about everything. It can be my Mac as well. It's running pretty good. I don't know what's the problem is here. If I switch to another internet Wi-Fi right now, so many problems. Sorry about that, guys. not really now that blank. Now we should try to at least move to the upside because the reaction is very strong from that low, you know. I think it most likely will, while not gonna respect this 5-minute FPG anymore. So I think for now it can go dig up, take this high, and then come back down where we want it to. It's at 4 hours. %50 of this, and it has swept low of 4-hour candle as well. So alright, we're gonna stay on higher time frame. Even if it does, I wouldn't be more confident to go in because now we have FPGs on lower time frame to the upside, 3-minute and whatnot. But this was perfect trade. If I were to get it, I would have taken it, but unlucky, didn't get it. This low was taken out beautifully, as I mentioned earlier. Alright, what threshold means is, let's say just give me a sec, yeah. I'm gonna explain to you what threshold means. What threshold means, let's say you get in at certain point in the market and you are trading in profit. Let's say you are $500 in profit, and let's say market decided to come down. I'm talking about FX, right? Where that limit always follows you while you are in trade or not, after trade, whatever. I mean, while you are also in a trade, it's gonna follow you. By that, what it means is you are in profit, let's say $500 in a trade, and it decides to come back down to the break even and takes your SL, which was $200, your SL, right? So you're gonna lose $700 worth of limit from your loss limit, you know. So if I write it down here, let's say your loss limit was 2500 from when you started with the new account. You were $500 in profit, and then market took your SL. So $500 profit plus your SL was $200. Now you're gonna lose $700 worth of loss limit. So now you have only $1800 loss limit total. It basically, as Blank is saying, basically trails your equity to the highest point you were at a time in a trade. It doesn't tell you big or not, but tell you that high point. My suggestion is to pick the profit when it's out of market. That's the only thing I can tell you. it's lagging my voice. Can hear it. Hello Mayur, good to see you too. Itans is the thing. Okay, Blank is dropping gems here in the chat. Uh, I mean, one gem one, one gem two is the way to go with Apex always. Uh, if your win rate is above 50%, let's say your win rate is 60 or 65%, you are good to go. You don't even have to worry about threshold coming to your way. Uh, yeah, that's it. Work on your winning ratio and you should be good enough. Blank, we get the reaction that you wanted from 5 minutes again. We are coming back down. Now my charts are not loading. Alright, everything is going south at this point. I'm gonna hold on to it. I'm gonna stream for 1 hour. If it's laggy, if it's not, do not care. I have decided to stream for at least 1.5 hours in a day for next 2 to 3 weeks, so maybe consistency rule. I never used 100k statics, and If you are thinking to buy it, don't buy it, because that's the worst account you can buy after 75k account. The best account to go from Apex is 50k, because it has little bit more drawdown than 25k and almost 1 gem 1 profit target. Ah, unlucky man. All right. I mean, if you have already bought it, then you know nothing to worry about. If you passed it, then you can make money on it. So, you know, you said it's about to pass, so you are good enough to go on 100k static. Because I feel $600 drawdown is too less for me, and that's the only reason I think it's a worst account. Yes, I know it doesn't follow you all around, but you know, maybe your trading style suits 100k statics. You never know. Yeah, I feel that too. The same thing, Plank. 600 is too less. It's about like two 2.5 losing trades, and I'm done with that static account. If I had a bad start, I'm done for it. Watch out for 50% of this week. We have not come down to that yet. You know, we may get reaction. It's something like this. And if market stays heavy, we're gonna dump. I don't know where my week again. Yeah. Oh, nice comeback, Hitachi, from $100 down to almost passing it. Yeah, the minimum is, I think, with the Apex $200 or something. With the static account, one good trade and you're good to go. But let's say when you start the account and you had a two pretty bad trades, you're done for it with the amount of risk I take. Yep, that's the plan blank. But if it taps here, then I will be confident to go long. If it taps here, then give me breakup structure, some FPGs, some good momentum displacement. To go for longs, aiming for these highs here. There's so much liquidity building. I am using ICT 2022 model mostly. And this was pretty risky trade though. Not very proud of it. To just show you guys on stream because we had open next 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, nice it turns. That's good. RR to have. I used to trade like 1 gem 3, 1 gem 5 as well before I got into Apex accounts. But then with Apex account, you have to mold your strategy, you know, risk wise. You can't just stick to it. So when trailing threshold, I got to know about trading threshold rule. I said, okay, 1 gem 1, 1 gem 2, it is. Plus, I had an experienced player who played in Apex accounts before, traded in Apex account, Sahil. So I talked to him. He said 1 gem 1, 1 gem 2 is the only way to go with Apex trailing threshold because yes, you can build up your account and then you can go for higher RRs. But until then, gotta stick to 1 gem 1, 1 gem 2s. And I they don't look fancy or shiny, but as long as they work. Alright, market is stuck for now. It just quickly swept this 18,997 low, went to that 5-minute FPG again, retested it, come back down, and now it's hopping around. Blank, what's your status in prop firms? Trading anything? PAs or LNGs? With dubstep account, I try to hit hard with 1 gem 3s at least because I have good enough profit build up in those accounts. So I can just when it hits 1 gem 2, I can just go break you and then let it ride. That's how I make most of my money on top step. I see blank. It happens. Sometime it happens. I ran up one account to 2400 and then I had to only go for 200 more and I lost the account at that point. It sucked, man. But you gotta move on from that. New York session, no. I trade live in Discord with premium members. In New York session. Cannot. And we can talk through in London session because it's pretty slow. I can answer some questions here and there. We can analyze the market. That's why London session is best to stream for. New York session we'll think about in future, maybe soon. Yep. PropStep is improving their prop firm as well by increasing their express accounts to 5. So I'm gonna max that out as well soon. With Apex, what has been happening, to be honest with me, is that I'm losing 3 PAs and getting payouts on one of them. So it's like here and there. But with the top step, I'm consistent. But with the Apex, they are so cheap that I can run up them again. I can buy 2 PAs, pass them in a day, and then you know have the lost 2 PS the next day ready for trading again. Yep, top step is the top best prop firms if you can pass the evals, but with the Apex, I'm not gonna lie, I also love Apex because you can have multiple accounts till 20 and then trade them with a small risk to reward and get bigger profits overall. Nice, G. 2 express accounts, that's good. We are dropping. Hope to see momentum in few minutes. If not, then it's gonna get very boring. But is that we are talking in the chat? That's very good. 1 to 2 people. Not trying to take more accounts, so it's already hard to manage the top step instant together. I only know top step from all the things you mentioned, but I can only imagine. Yeah, it's sometimes manipulate your psychology when you try to add accounts, and when you have multiple accounts, things go bad in the starting. it's a journey, definitely. Funding pips, all right. So you are in forex as well. I hate those firms, forex firms. I mean, pre-learning session is pretty good if you wanna really trade. After 3 o'clock, it's pretty much like this. New York time. Look at that. After 3, we are chopping. So it's pretty hard to trade after that. But we pre-learning session, as you can see, we had a good momentum. Mayur. Pre-learning session. And make sure you put cells which make sense. You have if you have back tested learning session, you will know. Not with funding people. I think they are the best performers in forex market, right? Funding pips and what was the other one? The top one. Like industry based. Funding pips is good. Yeah. I know. Funding pips is good. I hate the forex prop from industry. All in all, if you know, they can go out of business anytime. Like poof. Plus the slippage is bad, very bad. You will know that you know the difference, right? While if you do trade top step and forex firms, still to this date I don't know people trades them, because I've been saying this since last 6-7 months that either you leave them right now, you know, with your own decision, or you will be forced to do it soon, very soon. I said it this before. True forex fund, I think that's the problem went down right first, and then lots of problems went down one by one. I said it even before that. Switch to for futures, trade with top step FX, and you are good to go. And I have said it also that they are not also 100% secure, but is that you have to compare your options and go for the best one. Yeah, as I said, and I'll say it again, either you leave it right now or you will be forced to soon. uh, I prefer any session as long as there's a setup, but most of my trade comes in the New York session where I scale 30 points, 40 points in a trade. I wouldn't call it scalping, but yeah, my SLs are too tight in New York session. With the if I were to take trade in maybe London session, my SL would be bigger, like 25 points, 30 points, which are my target in New York session. And I use one shot, one kill in New York session. One trade, if it is there, okay. If not, if it doesn't go in my way, I'm gonna shut down my system. Plus, I have proposed a new consistency program to my premium members, and let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated in London session on streams. We're gonna start it from today, and let's see how it goes. We're gonna follow it for next 6 months, and you know, Yeah, Rupesh, that's the thing. But you can find good trades in traps as well. You can be the trapper who sets up the trap. Yep, it's like quick kill. You either in profit in next 2 minutes or you're out of the market in next 2 minutes. Plus, if you are right, you can get so much out of the market. Yeah, not I'm not sure about bigger downside movement, but I'm hoping till here 18,986. If we do come back down, I think we're gonna weak it out and start to move upside. And if it wants to sweep that 4-hour low, which is this one, it can very well easily. Might as well, right? Friday lows. You mean this one, right? That's what I have marked. Yeah, you can be right. Let's say 2 days out of 5 in your session, you can cover all the losses from 3 days and make some money on top of it. I noticed that too often. New York session, as I said, I'm trading with my members in Discord live every day, so I can't be at two places at the same time. Plus, it wouldn't be fair. Yeah, that's a good way. That's a right way to go, Myra. My win rate is around 67. 67, yeah. It was 69, but I've come down. Just know that it's a win rate of last 1.5 years on prop funds. I've had good trading days in past few weeks, but you know, there's always days when it comes down to taking losses like a pro trader. Can't be always on winning streak. Exactly. Good one, Rupesh. It's either one of them. You have the low winning rate and good RR, or you have a good winning ratio and then 1 gem 1 or 1 gem 2s. I've lost, I don't know, countless accounts. I made pretty good money from it, mostly from Top Step. As I said on my Instagram, I'm gonna ballpark around 300,000 this year. And if I do so, I'll post my proofs as well. Don't worry, guys. Not just talking out of blue. There will be proofs if I do claim $300,000. Yeah, I mean blank, that's the apex RR. It gives you peace of mind. You're out of the market quick. You don't have to worry about your trades going like one gem to 2.5 and then come back down to break even. With top step, what I used to do when I started out, maybe last September, October. First, when I started out, is like when I was funded with three accounts, and I'm still currently with funded three accounts. But when I just got my three accounts, I used to use one account for like I would wake up on Indian time, like at 9, 10, and then predict the market where market is going and put 50 point SL and then let the market ride on its own. Market is pretty choppy. But only with one account, right? I mean, I had one great trade with that strategy. It was around $10,000, but I had max contract on 5. I even posted a story about it. It'll be somewhere on my Instagram. Yep. Mhm. Plus, TopStep doesn't have consistency rule in PE accounts, so that's a one best thing. You can make as much as you want in a day. What a market, what a chop. We have been ranging around in 25 points. It's pretty good range, but not to trade in. We are slowly grinding to the downside, maybe to this liquidity drop or this as well. It depends on where when we get at this point, how we react. Do we get the breakup structure, any kind of nice. Hopefully you get that. Just look for A plus setups of yours and it'll be good enough. What a job. Nothing to do than talk about something else. Let's see. If it doesn't get any momentum, I'm gonna just go at 4 in your time. So in next 10 to 15 minutes. We are only 2 subscribers away from 300. Let's do it, guys. 2 subscribers. Chopping, chop city, man, chop city. One more subscriber, guys. One more. Thank you for whoever subscribed. Thank you very much. Alright, we are going back up for some reason. That is why I don't like post 3 o'clock trading. Yay! Thank you guys, thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you, Priyam. I will try. Will do, Priyam. Hello, Jaxel. What's up? Thank you very much, everyone. Really appreciate it. Alright, I guess the market's not gonna do anything. Look at this. Since 39 minutes, last 40 minutes, we are doing nothing. Just jumping around. Thank you, Michael. Thank you so much, guys, for everybody who tuned in. I know it's a boring price action. Hopefully, one day we'll get improved one soon. So we can actually trade on it, you know, not just sit on our hands. Thank you, Jaxel. Soon to 3,000, hopefully. Yep. To be honest, I never expect anything from London session, and especially after 3. It stops around till New York session 8, and it's gonna get momentum some kind of. Maybe if we have news, you know. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it from my side. I'll see you guys tomorrow in London session again. Maybe if I stream PM session in New York, maybe. I'm not promising anything. But until then, stay safe, trade safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for joining, everybody.